Now we need to multiply a fraction by a whole number. And the main thing to remember here is that we only multiply the numerator by the whole number, not the denominator. So first we have 3/4 times 5. So we can show that as 3 times 5 over 4 because we're only multiplying the numerator and the denominator stays the same. So 3 times 5 is 15, the denominator stays the same. So as an improper fraction, we have 15/4. But we can turn that into a mixed number by dividing. 15 divided by 4 is 3, remainder 3, and the denominator stays the same. So our answer is 3 3/4. And we can check 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Now we have 2/3 times 6. So if we're using the same method, we can write that out as 2 times 6 over 3. 2 times 6 is 12, and the denominator stays the same, so we have the improper fraction 12/3. 12 divided by 3 is exactly 4, so that's our answer. Now for this question, there was a slightly quicker method that we could have used. Times and of mean the same thing, so if we were finding 2/3 of 6, we could divide 6 by the denominator, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then we could multiply by the numerator, and 2 times 2 is 4. For this question, for this first question, it wouldn't have worked because 5 divided by 4 would give us a remainder or a mixed number, so here we needed to multiply by the numerator first. But let's use fraction bars to show what we did. 3/4 we started with, and we were multiplying by 5, so we can show 3/4 5 times. If we do some regrouping here, we can see that we have 15/4, but we've got 3 whole bars shaded in and 3/4 of another one, so that's why our answer is 3 3/4. Then we had 2/3 times 6, so we can show 2/3 6 times. We can see that that gives us 12/3, but if we do some regrouping, we can fill up 4 whole fraction bars, so our answer is just 4.